welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where we make savoury and sweet dishes for your iftar and for your sehri. Today I'm going to be making an essential drink for Ramadan. This is a drink called Sweet Laban, and it's originating in the region of Riyadh, but it's drunk throughout the Middle East. It's brilliant for drinking during the time of your meal to settle your stomach. So here are the ingredients on how to make Sweet Laban. We're going to take some water, some plain yogurt, some caster sugar, and you can use xylitol or stevia if you're not using any sugar or you're diabetic, some honey, and some ground cumin with a pinch of salt, and some ground cardamom. So to make Sweet Laban, we're going to take a bowl and then add in the plain yogurt, like so. And then we're going to add in the sugar. If you're not having any sugar, or if you're diabetic, then I definitely advise having some xylitol or stevia, and they're brilliant alternatives to sugar. So you also have the ground cardamom. I'm going to add some of that in. And the pinch of salt and the ground cumin as well. So we're going to fold that in gently. We're not really mixing it properly at the moment. We're just going to combine the ingredients gently and fold that in. And then we're going to add in the honey. And again, we'll fold that in so that it's laced through the yogurt, like so. And I'm going to take a whisk and give that a little bit of a beating, like so. Gently do that. You don't have to really beat it thoroughly or anything like that. So whisk it gently. And the consistency is fairly thick, but you want to make it slightly runny. So I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Again, whisk that. And you'll find that all the ingredients combine well together. And this is perfect for eating during a meal as well as after a meal. And it's really great for settling your stomach and stopping you from feeling bloated or experiencing any acid reflux or gas. So that should be done, and I'm going to serve that up in a glass. Laban is actually really high nutritional value. This is a drink that's a staple throughout the Middle East during the Ramadan period, and there's a reason for that. This is actually packed with protein, perfect for keeping you full during the Ramadan time, also for keeping you full for the next day ahead for the fasting, and it's also full of B vitamins, so that keeps you energized during the Ramadan fasting time. This is also full of other ingredients, including cumin powder and also cardamom. And those are things that settle your stomach, stopping you from feeling bloating after a heavy feast in iftar. And it also contains honey, which has a lot of healing properties. Let's take another look at the ingredients that we need to make Sweet Laban. And here's a reminder of the instructions on how to prepare sweet Laban. In a bowl, add the yogurt and the spices and the sugar and give that a stir. Then add the salt and the honey and then whisk that up with a whisk and make sure it's a thinner consistency. If it's thick, then add some water and whisk that up again. Then serve chilled in a glass. So I hope you've enjoyed making the sweet Laban drink with me today. This is a perfect drink for the Ramadan period and it's a staple during the Ramadan iftar times in the Middle East. I'm sure you're going to be making the sweet Laban during your iftar.